the skill sets that they need are really different from a science or a physics class or a chemistry class or a math class. And here's a reason. If I think about what the role of the peer educator is in leading, say, a discussion section in a physics class, they're attending to, say, students' ideas. They're trying to make students comfortable in sharing their own ideas, in refining their own ideas. They're trying to get some conversation going, so on and so forth. But the class starts and the class ends, right? And then people move on to other things. And then they come back another week, there's a new topic, and the peer educators would engage the students in this new topic, so on and so forth, right? In the engineering course, however, the peer educators have to think about what are the technical difficulties that a team might be facing, right? But then they also got to think about, are there any process problems that are resulting in the technical difficulties? So for example, if a team is being unable to, say, use a sensor properly, right, and they're stuck, or they're like, oh, my sensor is not working, right? Is there a process flow problem in the sense of, like, they might not have done research on that sensor previously, or for example, the other members in the team have not communicated with this member what that testing entails, right? Or this member was not part of those conversations that already happened, right? So there might be process-related things. Or for example, here's a sensor that is not working. It should not have been used in the first place at all. And so did the team undergo the process of thinking about what are all the different sensors I should be using before deciding on this sensor and buying it, and then, oh my God, like, it's not working the way we want it to, right? So did they engage in the brainstorming process, or did they skip that part and go with the first idea? So essentially, when somebody is encountering a technical problem, the peer educator has to think, is this a technical issue? Is this a design process issue? Or is this a human a human communications issue, right? Or something else in the team is going down where this person is not being able to work with the sensor because they're pissed off at the team for some reason, and that is the unresolved issue, right? So what looks like a technical problem could actually be a process problem or a human problem. And now imagine a peer educator having to diagnose this, not just what is the best technical solution to this technical hiccup that has occurred in their own classroom.